evening and welcome to this ABC 36 News Update. I'm Megan Skaggs. Several area hospitals and health clinics are seeing a surge in patients coming in with the flu and flu-like symptoms. ABC 36's Kate Slattery has more on what the health department is doing to combat the spread of flu.
We're not at the threshold yet where we need to do anything special, any special clinics, renting a building in the community or putting these tent clinics up that some communities are doing. But we want to know that we're able to do that if the threshold gets hit.
The Lexington-Fayette County Health Department called a special meeting Thursday to discuss ways to combat the growing number of flu patients in area health facilities.
Some of the clinics in town are seeing as many as 50% of their patients having flu-like symptoms.
Dr. Chris Nelson is the director for infection prevention and control at UK. He says flu patients began to trickle in over the summer, and now they're starting to see a steady flow.
So everyone's seeing an increased number, and it's certainly challenging people, but not to the point that it's difficult to conduct business or see all the patients that are coming in.
Dr. Nelson says Thursday's meeting allowed UK health officials to meet with other area officials and begin coordinating efforts.
So that we're sharing resources, we're sharing equipment potentially, we're making sure that we know that if one hospital's out of antiviral medications, another has it.
In addition, the health department is making sure everyone has a plan in place for what health officials believe is coming.
And that is a large influx of inpatient and outpatients who are sick or think they have the flu. And also at the same time having to deal with staffing shortages of up to 30 to 40% of our healthcare workers in the healthcare setting.
That was Kate Slattery reporting. Now, the health department also wants the public to know what most people with the flu or flu-like symptoms, that they do not need to visit the doctor or a hospital to be cured. Well, a baboon is discovered living in a Kentucky home. Susie is a 24-year-old female baboon. She was just discovered living in a house in Kenton County. But having a baboon in a home is against the law there. So Susie was shipped today to the Primate Rescue Center in Nicholasville. The director says primates are not good house pets.
It's incredibly dangerous to keep these animals in a situation in a home where they can either escape or come in contact with children, other pets, that sort of thing. Susie is a tremendously powerful animal and should not ever have been kept in the home, not at 5 months of age, certainly not at 24 years.
Well, the concern is that Susie is too thin, that she spent most of her life indoors, and that she's never interacted with other primates. The Primate Center will try to fix those problems. That's going to do it for this ABC 36 News Update. You can always get the latest by going to our website, WTVQ.com.